In today's video, we will learn step by step how we can work out the total inside Google Sheets. So as you can see on my screen, I have got an example table right here with a lot of different values. So what we've got is a couple of numbers ranging from low numbers to high numbers, etc. And if we want to go ahead and total the sum of these for budgeting purposes or, just tracking your spend, what we can do is we can go down to where it says total, go to the cell right next to this, and then we want to enter in equals and then sum. Now, once you put in equals and then sum, as you will notice, it has now automatically selected these numbers right here, but if it hasn't done that, what we can do is you can click on the cell that we want to total and then drag down all the way down to the bottom until you go ahead and select all of the numbers that you want the total for. Now, as you can see, what we can do, as it's already auto-selected this, we can then click on this right here. This will then go ahead and give us our total, and if I just make this a little bit bigger, as you can see, this is our total for all of these numbers right here. So that's how simple it is to go ahead and work out total inside Google Sheets, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.